Hello, my name's Rick Kasher, and I own a 2007 Honda Ridgeline. The tailgate would not swing open. You can watch a couple other videos and they'll show you how to get the plastic parts on and off the back of the tailgate. But what I found, the reason the gate wouldn't swing open is because a plastic retainer very similar to this had broken off and was no longer holding this cable which controls the latch for the gate to swing open. And that works fine. As you can see, I will now go and lubricate the parts in here with 3-in-1 oil, and then I'll clean some of this dirt out of here and put it back together. Thanks and goodbye.